because then the world will react to you instead of you reacting to the world. Right
Yeah.
now, most people are reacting to the world. I want you to make the world react to you. You are doing it a lot with your mind. So a lot of energy is up here for you in your mind because you're trying to figure out things out. How should I do it this way? Should I do it that way?
Exactly.
Would that help me? Would that help me? Should I go there? Should I eat this? Should I do that? Should I talk to the girl in that way? Should I text in this way? Should I text in that way? That's a simple form of overthinking, which builds
Yeah.
resistance. The problem in life, times for a lot of people, is resistance. That's actually that's the only problem in life. Give you a mantra, okay? The mantra is, I don't have to try so hard. What are you looking a solution for?
What do you mean?
What do you want?
That's a great question because I wasn't wondering about that. I don't know. I'm not searching for like happiness.
Why did you want to call with me?
Because I saw you on TikTok and I like you were different from everyone talking about this, you know, and you seemed authentic and all that stuff, and I can't relate it. And most of the thing you talked about, like meditation, all that stuff, I already do it, you know, on daily basis, and I related because no one was talking about it. And I thought, okay, these guys are DMing this guy, so let me just ask a few questions at least, and probably just improve my life.
I love you already. I love you already. I love you already, man. I love you already. You have the consciousness. You have, oh my God, I get the best guys on my phone calls. I can't believe it. I get like, and no, I can't believe it because the law of attraction, because I'm sending out this power. And only the people who are able to receive the power are reaching out to me. They're on the same frequency. Yeah. Do you want to know what's different? Why I'm different? Do you know why I'm different?
Tell me why.
I'm different. Go ahead.
Yeah, tell me. I think it was because you were like, it's about energy, but the energy that you passed through the video, you know, it was authentic. You're being honest, you know.
Exactly. You can see it in my eyes.
Yeah.
You can see it all the time in my eyes because I'm coming from my power. I don't want anything. I already got everything. I'm coming from my power. That's how you are successful with girls. That's how you're successful in life. It's about your frequency. And if you're if you have the power to set your frequency, you are invincible. Because then the world will react to you instead of you reacting to the world. Right now, most people are reacting to the world. I want you to make the world react to you.
Yeah.
I want Portugal. I want Europe. I want the US. I want the world. I want the universe. The universe will react to you. You understand? When you meditate, you raise your frequency. And you make everything that's on the same frequency flow into your life.
Yeah.
When you do the book of positive aspects that I talk a lot about, which is after meditation, when you write a list of positive aspects about your life. The only requirement for this list is to write whatever feels good. Because your guidance system, your feelings is a guidance system. And if you raise that guidance system, if you raise your frequency, you get everything good in your life.
Okay. That makes sense, yeah.
So, but I feel like you are already like on a level where like you understand it. I mean, if you meditate, how are your meditations going?
I don't know, because it's kind of strange because, you know, my mom always told me to meditate and I've been doing all these meditations about like different things, you know, about like self-acceptance, you know, about confidence, about many things. But the thing is, and what I feel like is like, I'm doing it as like I'm doing like reps, you know, like exercises, like reps from like going to the gym, you know. I'm doing it on a daily basis, but I'm not doing it like, I don't know, man. It feels good, but I don't know how it's supposed to feel like better or something like that.
Okay, let me do a meditation with you right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna guide you through it, and I know what you said. Was there something else you wanted to say about that?
No, I believe not. Yeah.
Okay, so here's what meditation is. Life is about focus, okay?
Okay.
The power, the freedom that we have in life is we have the ability to put our focus on whatever we want to put our focus on. Once you put your focus on something that emits a frequency, that means you can put your focus on appreciation or you can put your focus on the news. That means you have the power by your focus, by your perception, how you feel. how your frequency is. Meditation is basically a reset point. It's neutral. It's you bring yourself in your natural state. When a tree grows, it's natural. When a flower grows, the sun, everything is natural. It's an allowing. It's an allowing state. There is nothing special about different kind of meditations in that sense. The only reason for meditation is you focus on something. That focusing on something distracts you from so many other things that you will come into a state of non-thought. That state of non-thought is, Abraham Hicks says, it's like a cork. You know, a cork that's like floating. It's like a wine cork made out of wood. If you push it underwater, it's like negative thoughts. And then if you meditate and you let it go, it goes up to the surface, right? Yeah. And that's meditation. You go into your state of allowing. I think what you do is, the good thing is you did repetition. Here's the amazing thing. Repetition is important, and you should do it every day, at least for 20 minutes. I do it every day for way longer, and I do it multiple times a day. Whenever I trust myself the most, so I don't even need guidelines anymore. I trust myself, and my intuition tells me, and you will come to that point, and I see it in you. Like, I literally see it, that you have capability, you have the allowing, and you have the conscience in your whole body to come to that point. And after this phone call, I see it, because I can like sense people's energy, and I see it that it will be easy for you. This phone call will be so easy for you to understand, and you will get so much clarity, and you will get a feeling of clarity. Do you know what clarity means? You get like, everything will open up for you, and you will see the universe not only with your mind, but you will see it with your being. So when I do the meditation now with you, you will understand what I'm saying. What happens in the meditation, you get one focus and it goes to regular thoughts. And I don't know if you experienced in your meditations a sense of detachment.
Because what I do, like in guided meditation, is that I focus on my breath. You know, I focus on it and let all these thoughts just pass on until I like don't think about anything. But the thing is, when I go to that detached from everything, my body just relaxes. But most of the time, I just get sleepy or some shit like that, and I just go to sleep or something like that. You know?
Okay, I'm so proud of you, because you understand the breathing. And the good thing is that you about to go to sleep. Some people have that. It's actually a sign of you releasing resistance, because I feel like you probably have a very sometimes exhausting lifestyle where you're very busy and things are going on, and you probably have to figure things out. And I don't know if you go to school, but you have to wake up early or something, whatever it is that I know you have like a little bit of like stress and all that. So what happens is your body, the universe, your soul, your inner being looks for the least resistance for you to be rested. So that's why it's actually it's a natural sign. So you actually release resistance just before, and then you go to sleep to release resistance. Now I want to get you to the point where you are in your life more relaxed.
Yeah, that's what I want to be. Because I just go to sleep, and tomorrow it's all the same, you know.
Yeah, and so, I help you out with that, and I help you out with this call with that. I promise you that, okay? Because I know what's going on. Because I couldn't receive this if I didn't know what's going on. Okay. So what happens is, you're like a lot of guys that I talk to. You're smart, you're conscious. The good thing is you already meditate, so you already release some resistance. So you're a healthy guy too. Do you work out?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I do volleyball, but now the practice are not so, and gyms are closed, so I just do workout every day in my home.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I'll keep doing it.
Do you usually go to the gym or just volleyball? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's like daily. I go daily, but now I can't.
Workout.
Now I just work out.
I do push-ups too. I understand. So here's the thing. You like a lot of guys that I talk to. You are trying to figure out life. You're ambitious.
Yeah, exactly.
You want the best life that you can get. You want the best woman that you can get. You want all the good things that you can get. That's a great thing. And I'm proud of you. And I think you're doing it in a healthier way. But I can help you to be more healthy, because you are doing it a lot with your mind. So a lot of energy is up here for you in your mind, because you're trying to figure things out. How should I do it this way? Should I do it that way?
Exactly.
Would that help me? Would that help me? Should I go there? Should I eat this? Should I do that? Should I talk to the girl in that way? Should I text in this way? Should I text in that way? That's a simple form of overthinking, which builds resistance. The problem in life, a lot of times for a lot of people, is resistance. That's actually that's the only problem in life. Resistance will cause illness. Resistance will cause unhappiness. Resistance even caused the virus. The virus is a representation from a lot of people in the world pushing against stuff. Like, we don't like this. We don't like that you treat people that way. We don't like this. You need to come back. Need to come back to a place of trusting yourself. Like a kid. Now, the reason why you don't trust yourself is because you base your worth on your life experience. So I want you to know that your life experience, first of things that happened in the past, when you grew up, you were influenced by parents, teachers, people around you, other kids, in a way to think. So you were already influenced by them to think a certain way. And the law of attraction kept you thinking those thoughts. That's not you. Actually, the things that you experience in life, the girls you met or the successes you had, were influenced by that. But now you can make the choice to take your power back and create your own emotions and create your own thoughts. When you do that, when you only do that, when you do the list of positive aspects and when you do the meditations in the way that I'm going to tell you, you will, it's like a compass, you will go to your true north. And suddenly, literally, I'm telling you this, suddenly, effortlessly, do you know what the word effortlessly means?
Yeah, I know.
Effortlessly, things will come into your life and you will call me, you will DM me, and you'll be like, yo, what the fuck, Jesse? This never happened to me. This never happened to me. Like, I had this guy, in like a matter of days, he had 5 girls just being like interested. And it might not be girls. It might be something else. It might be money. It might be any abundance, any gift that comes from the universe will come to you. And I want you to stay in that frequency. You make your own frequency. Don't let life make your frequency. Don't let other people's, anything that you see in life is only a manifestation from other people because of their belief systems. Don't let other people's manifestations tell you what manifestations you are able to do in life. I need to explain you this foundation, but then I'm going to give you practice in a second. And I know you can follow me. The main thing in life is to raise your vibration. Right now, you have some resistance because you're trying to figure out things. You try to figure life out.
Exactly.
That gives you resistance, right? What I'm telling you is, the more I give you a mantra, okay? The mantra is, I don't have to try so hard.
Yeah.
Do you like that? I don't have to try so much.
Yeah. That's just my whole life because I'm like, I consider myself like a grinder, you know? I just try way too much.
But if you're a grinder, then you just grind and you work hard, but the resistance is not letting the abundance flow into your life.
Exactly.
So what I want you to do is, next time you grind, next time you like, you know what? I don't have to try so much. Let me do something fun. The more things you do that are fun, the more fun feeling you can get. The more you raise your vibration and the solution will come. Einstein said, you cannot access the solution on the level of the problem.
I heard that, yes.
That's why I tell in videos people, during this time, we have to stay on a frequency of the solution. We have to find our joy. We have to find our allowing. You can't freak out because we can only find a solution on the level of the solution. And that's why I feel like it helps also that I talk to guys, because I bring them more relief. So how are you going to do that? The first most important thing is meditation. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you some relief right now with a meditation. All right, let's do this.
Okay, just one thing. It's being strange, but for the first time, my body's just shaking. I don't know why.
That's good.
My body just can't stop like shaking.
Let it shake. So I want you to allow that excitement. Okay. I want you to, do you know the word surrender?
Yeah, I know.
I want you to trust me. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
I've done this with many people. I've done things with people where they have an incredible relief. They have incredible manifestations the week after. They have amazing things. All right. So you should feel lighter. How do you feel? Good?
Fuck, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? It makes no sense, man.
That's good.
How is this possible? I just don't. It's just amazing. I can't explain it. I felt like I wasn't here. I wasn't in this place. I was so amazing.
Enjoy it.
I'm a king.